A new snapping preset has been added to the snapping pie. When I take this into edit mode and switch to surface snapping to snap the mesh on the sphere, notice how it moves as if everything is a solid piece, but now you can hit the surface button again to switch into alternative face snapping, which is face nearest. This is useful if you actually want to conform a selection to another object. If you hit the button again, it goes back to regular surface snapping and acts as if the selection is a single block. This also works in object mode, by the way, and will then act on the individual objects accordingly. Furthermore, if you have multiple snapping presets enabled at the same time, notice how the sorting of these presets is now in a very specific order: vertex, edge, surface, and grid, or even volume if enabled. Finally, in the add-on preferences for the snapping pie, you can now disable the fading HUD if you don't like it. See, no more visual confirmation now. Personally, I like to have it enabled, which is why it's the default. Also, the default snapping target for the absolute grid preset has been changed to active now, which is really helpful, especially when you snap multi-object selections, whereas previously using median has led to misalignments. Finally, if you're not a fan of the default snap target and element combinations, you can now customize these in the add-on prefs. You can see that active is used for grid, median for face nearest and surface, and closest for the other two. Also, for volume, it's set to closest to.